Well, it's been raining since the early morning, and it's still raining, and it's almost 4 p.m. at this point, and decided now's a good chance to do some inside work. And this came across my bench, which is a humidifier that is not blowing steam. So we need to figure out what's going on here. And then of course the power went out for a while, so that stopped me from doing a bunch of stuff inside. But I was able to work on some videos, so that's good. Alright, now I need a Torx to take this thing apart. This belongs to my mother-in-law, so anytime she gives me something to work on, I always try to take care of it if it's at all possible. Okay. Nothing exciting there. Set that aside. Okay. So there it has a little fan. I think that's what the problem is. Oh, what do you know? So there's the fan. Seems to spin, so that's good. Put that back in there. Okay. Trying to figure out how these things come apart can be a challenge. That's pretty easy. Apparently this thing was dropped. Hit the floor, stopped working. So who knows? I'm looking for physical damage or a connector that might have come off. But I'm not seeing anything. Little circuit board with lots of conformal code on it. Okay, so the first thing is let's test the fan. See if the fan works. And it doesn't say. So here is a 12 volt DC fan. That'll be good enough. Alright, now we need 12 volts. Oops. Uh-oh. The fan is not working. Okay, let's make sure that I am in fact getting 12 volts here. Let's get a different set of probes here. I never assume anything. Pretty sure my power supply is working. Oh, well, let's see, that could be why. I'm only getting 3 volts. So get some glare here. There we are. Now we have 12 volts. Let's try that again. Well, still not working. If I can get my clips to stay on. Hmm? Yeah.
Did you watch the other guy's video?
The fan is not fanning.
That's the fan.
That's the fan.
Oh, new fan.
Maybe. Alright, well, there's your problem. Right there. So after messing around with this for a few minutes, pretty sure it's just the fan that's bad. But I did discover something that I thought was really interesting. This is the water sensor. And it must use capacitance to sense that there's water, because there's an empty hole in the bottom of the case here. And this just sits right up in there. It's only got, the spring is just one single contact. So it sits right up in that hole. And it must sense that there's water surrounding this. But anyway, I thought that was interesting. So a new fan is $15, a new unit is less than $40. So I could determine if the mother-in-law wants it repaired or not. So for now, I'll just put it back together. Remember how to put it back together. Oh, yes, this way. There we go. Okay. I can go there. I can go there. This is also a clever bit of engineering. The fan in addition to pushing the steam out, also serves as the fan to cool the heatsink for this voltage regulator. So that's kind of clever to have it right there. Ah, very nice. Stripped screw hole. Okay, I guess that's why these were loose. Alright. And that was some not so good engineering. Okay. And the reason that I go through the trouble of putting these back together is because sometimes there is a very long time between when I start working on something and when I can finish it. So long that I forget how to put it back together. Oh, that's twice. Fans. Okay, so that's it.